So we finally have the Mac Mini M1 in our possession, and I am stoked about it, and today we are going to be unboxing it. Now let me give you guys a little bit of context for those that are new to the channel. This is my first Mac PC ever. I'm coming from Windows, but primarily coming from an iPad for the past year and some change. So I just wanted to just share this unboxing experience with you guys and just kind of talk to you while we do that. All right. So once you open up the Mac Mini, the first thing you'll be greeted with is just the Mac Mini sitting on the top, and it looks really nice just in the plastic in general. Once you take that out, you'll have just your user manuals and all of that stuff in a little sleeve in the back, and you will have a power cable, and that is all that's going to come with the Mac Mini. Now, for those of you that might be new to the Mac Mini in general, like myself, just to give you guys a side note, you will need your own peripherals. So you will need a keyboard and a mouse in order to get this thing set up and running. Luckily, I had some of those things on hand, but you will need a keyboard and a mouse, preferably a wired mouse, because you won't be able to get into the Bluetooth settings until you get past the initial screen. All right. So just keep that in mind for anybody that's coming from Windows or coming from any other device and you're jumping into a Mac Mini for the first time like myself. All right. After the manuals and stuff like that, like I said, you're just going to have your power cable down here in the bottom. And just a funny little note, man, in this video, I had to mute it because I was so excited. I was actually talking to my kids and they were standing right there watching me do it. And I was so excited, nervous, and everything. I was like everything at the same time because I was nervous that, you know, coming from Windows and just coming from my iPad and having a Mac as my main PC, I was nervous because I've never had one. And I was like, man, I hope I like this thing. I hope, you know, it doesn't give me any issues. I hope I don't run into things that make me want to, you know, trade it in or, you know, send it back or whatever. So I was nervous and all of that at the same time. But, you know, as I started unboxing it and as I started, you know, just kind of looking at it and just kind of, you know, psyching myself out about it, I was actually coming to terms with it. But once you take that little plastic piece off and you see it, you know, in the flesh and you feel it in your hands, that cold feel, it instantly just gets you like motivated. You instantly feel like you have something of quality in your hand. All right. The Mac Mini looks nice. It looks real amazing and it's very well built. On the back, it says Mac Mini down there in that little black little circle spot, man. And I thought that was really, really cool. It is a fingerprint magnet though. And once you take off that little black plastic piece, you're going to have your power cable, your power button, power cable area. You'll have, you know, your Ethernet. You will have your USB-C ports, HDMI, USB-A, and your headphone jack. I'm sorry. And like I said, this thing just looks nice. I think that's enough ports for me, to be honest with you. We'll have to see, time will tell. I might be looking at getting some type of hub if these ports aren't enough for me. But for right now, I think I should be able to rock out with this right here. So real quick, I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys for subscribing and watching and checking out the channel, man. This is my first Mac PC ever. Once I actually get this thing set up, I will come back and give you guys my initial impressions of Mac OS and all of that stuff. All right. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.